If you know anything about Basque, you know that isan is a tremendously important verb. Why? Because it's the verb that means to be. There are also several other uses for it, but we'll talk about those in separate videos. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Isan is an old Basque verb. It conjugates or changes form synthetically so that each person and object and tense considered causes it to have a final form. When used to mean to be, it takes an intransitive form, which means that there is only one subject who is being talked about and no direct object, which is another thing being affected by the verb. You can use this to be form for identification, this is a table, or for qualification, the table is big. Some things you don't want to use isan for are emotions or temporary states or even locations. At least not in Standard Basque or Euskara Batua. Let's focus on defining isan as identity and quality. Now we're going to go over the present conjugations of the verb isan, meaning to be. I am, ni nice. He, she, or it is, urara. We are, gu gara. You are, su sara. You all are, suek sarete. They are, aek dira. Notice the red prefixes which match to each person. In other videos, we'll conjugate isan a little bit more, as well as learn its other functions, such as its transitive forms or its dative forms, and its use as an auxiliary verb. Agur!